Hi, this is Anthony Garland, and in this video example, I'm going to show how Graderworks can help you identify if a file is 100% correct, and show how the geometric similarity tool within Graderworks can be more accurate than grading based on just looking at a part. So here's the Graderworks homepage. If you want more information, you can come here. And in this example, we're going to look at a part made by following one of the tutorials in this book, A Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks 2016 Level 1. So I've put a student's part and the solution into this folder. I'm going to open both within SolidWorks and take a look at them. So here's the solution. I'm going to use Control-Tab to switch to the student's file. And you see they look very similar. On visual inspection, I'm not seeing any differences in the geometry. They look the same. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run them through Graderworks and see what Graderworks says about the files. So I'm going to go to my desktop and just click on the Graderworks icon. First thing I'm going to do is tell it the path where the files are located. So this will be the root folder. Just paste it into this box. I'm going to go to Configure. This is SolidWorks files and root folder. So I'm not going to change the assignment type. I'm going to go to the comparison tab and say compare part to references specified below. I'm going to tell it the right answer file. So I'm going to paste the absolute path to the right answer file. Next, I'm going to tell it to start. So Graderworks is going to spin up SolidWorks in the background and then perform the comparison between the correct answer and the student's file. So you can see it's pre-analyzing the correct solution. Now let's open the output.csv file. So I'm going to select it, go to open. So this is the correct answer or the comparison target that we specified in the configuration. And these are the two files that were in the root folder. So you can see when comparing the solution to itself, it says it's 100% similar. And then this is the student's file. So it says there's an estimated error of 1.2. So anything above a 98.8 and higher would be considered 100% correct. And so this is just ever so slightly below that value. If we look at the mass, we can also see that the mass is slightly different. So what we're going to want to do is see like what exactly is different between the two files. So the most common mistake that students make is not to define their sketches when following a tutorial, not to fully define them. So I'm going to take the absolute path and then I'm going to paste the path to the student's file here and hit enter. And that allows me to very quickly open the file without having to browse to it. So what we're going to do is go through each sketch and see if we can find if there's an underdefined sketch, and we can also check the dimensions. Now I have the textbook in front of me right here. Obviously you can't see it. Most of the time I've found that students do insert the correct dimensions for the most part. They're just missing a relationship within a sketch. Occasionally they might enter like an extra 0 or something. It might throw off a dimension, but by far and away the most common mistake is just not have a fully defined sketch. So far I have not found any fully defined underdefined sketches. Looks really good so far. It's going to be a very small mistake because it was so close. The geometric similarity score is so close. And here we go. So this profile for the swept cut is not fully defined. And you can see that I'm able to move it back and forth, which might, for the student, sometimes they might think, oh, that's just a small thing. But when you exaggerate their mistake by like dragging it way over here, then they normally realize, oh, that's significantly different. Because now when I exit my sketch, then SolidWorks has build errors and can't reproduce the part. So in this video, I showed you how you can use the geometric similarity to see if a part is 100% correct very easily. You don't even have to open SOLIDWORKS. You can just look at the output.csv. You can also compare to multiple target correct answer files. And then also you can see how it might be hard to actually find a mistake or visually inspect a part to see if it's correct, but the geometric similarity can give you a really good idea if there is even a small mistake within a part. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, please send us an email or send us a message in some other way, and we'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching.